Welcome back to the Unlimited 3D tutorial videos from 3DM. Now that we have your first project set up, we're going to jump into your first solution and show how to upload your first 3D model. If you click on My Solution, it'll take you right into the platform. From here, there's two options for uploading files. For this video, I've prepared a GLB file, which contains the model and the textures in the same file. So you can drag and drop directly from your desktop into the library here at the bottom of the screen. You'll see the blue line letting you know that you can drag this directly into your library. The other option is to click Upload in the upper left-hand corner, and from here you can browse your files or again drag and drop directly into Unlimited 3D. Now our file is uploading. You'll see the highlight line appears letting you know that it's processing. And depending on the scenario, if you've uploaded a GLB, it will already have the textures inside of it. In other formats like FBX, the 3D model might not contain the textures itself, so you will have to do it manually. We will go through that part in a later tutorial video. So there you go. Congratulations, your first 3D model is now uploaded on the platform.